Alright, we're gonna do a quick unboxing video for the 3/8 Icon Gold Ratchet. Oh yeah, I've been waiting for this moment for a long time. Ever since I unlocked this camo. Ooh, look at it. Sheesh. Ever since I unlocked this camo, I've been waiting for it to arrive. Let's see if it was worth the wait. Oh, comes with a nice case and everything. You guys don't understand everything that I went through to unlock this golden camo. I had to strip 100 drain plugs, snap 50 bolts, cross thread 30 spark plugs, but it was all worth it. Finally unlocked it, and now I can't wait to unlock the platinum camo and whatever comes next. Alright, let's see. How the fuck do you even open it? See, this is what happens when you give me a stimulus check. Can't trust me. Bear with me. I know it's taking a little bit longer than usual, but so it happens. I'm too excited to even know how to act right now. Oh, how the hell do you even open this? Am I gonna edit this video? Of course not. Because who cares? Yeah, I don't know how to open it. I might have to break this thing because I don't know how to open it. Well, doesn't matter. That was a failed attempt, but here's what it looks like on the case. And if I can't open it, I'll just trim the video. And that's gonna be it. Oh, I managed to get it open. The moment of truth. Oh, let's see. A little bit scratched, but you know, that's the Harbor fake quality right here. Oh, now I'm holding it. It looks more of a brass than gold. But look at the detail. You know what it needs? It needs a 10 millimeter. So let's put a 10 millimeter and see how it feels. Well, I lost my 10 millimeter as expected, so I'm gonna put the 11. Oh! And it functions like no other ratchet. Can't wait to strip a lot of more bolts and snap some other stuff too. So it's the review.